Hey everyone, looking for a workbench that's both stable and portable? Today we're checking out the best portable workbenches that offer durability and convenience, whether you're working in the garage or on the go. From impressive load capacities to easy setup, these top picks will help you tackle projects anywhere. Stick around to see our favorites and check the description for links to these fantastic tools. Let's get started. Worx WX051 Portable Workbench. The Worx WX051 Portable Workbench is a versatile 2-in-1 folding work table and sawhorse designed for convenience and efficiency. It features a robust build with a high load capacity, supporting up to 300 pounds as a workbench and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. The large surface area of 31 by 25 inches offers ample workspace, while the integrated clamping system securely holds your projects. Made from durable ABS plastic with steel supports, it is both lightweight and sturdy, weighing just 30 pounds. Its fold-and-go design ensures easy portability and compact storage, making it ideal for various tasks. Keter Portable Workbench. The Keter Portable Workbench offers a heavy-duty, all-weather workspace for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With a spacious work surface supporting up to 1,000 pounds, this workbench is ready for any task. Its quick opening and folding system allow for easy setup and storage in just 30 seconds. Made from weather-resistant polypropylene and heavy-duty resin with aluminum legs, it delivers long-lasting performance in any environment. The included 12-inch clamps can be installed horizontally or vertically for added versatility. Durable and robust, the Keter Workbench is a reliable choice for demanding job sites and home projects alike. Black+Decker WM125 Portable Workbench. The Black+Decker WM125 Portable Workbench is a reliable solution for various home and garage projects. Featuring a durable steel frame and wooden vise jaws, it supports up to 350 pounds. The compact, lightweight design folds flat for easy storage and transport. The adjustable swivel pegs and angled jaws accommodate irregular shapes, ensuring a secure grip on your materials. Slip-resistant feet provide stability during use. With its sturdy construction and easy-to-use features, this workbench is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering both functionality and convenience. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect portable workbench. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you in the next video.